Today we're checking out the new OPPO Reno 14 5G, a phone that aims to raise the bar in the mid-range. Starting with the build, the Reno 14 features a glass front, a glass back, and an aluminum alloy frame that gives it a premium, sturdy feel. At about 187 grams, it's nicely balanced, not too heavy. Moving to the display, you get a gorgeous 6.59-inch AMOLED panel. Brightness peaks around 1200 nits, so it's usable even out in strong sunlight. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen looks sharp, 1256 by 2760 pixels, and has excellent color. It runs Android 15 with ColorOS 15, giving you lots of features and smooth performance. The chipset inside is the MediaTek Dimensity 8350. It's powerful enough to handle multitasking and modern apps really well. For memory and storage, OPPO gives you storage up to 1 TB with 16 GB extendable RAM. Camera setup is impressive for its class. A triple rear camera system with 50MP main lens, 15MP telephoto, 8MP ultra-wide lens. On the front, there's a 50MP selfie cam. Here are some pictures, captures by this phone. Battery is generous, 6,000 mAh with 80W fast charging, which gives quick top-ups. That was our detailed look at OPPO Reno 14. Hope you liked the video.